Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And in the last video we just got acquainted with Docker, and in this video I will introduce to you an extremely useful feature when working with Docker, which is Docker Compose. So what's the Docker Compose? Basically Docker Compose is a tool that makes it easier to create and run multi-container the applications. It automates the process to managing several Docker containers and such as website frontend, backend, API, and database service. And the Docker Compose allows you to define your application container as code inside a YAML file, and you can commit your code into your repository. Once you have created your file, normally we can create with this name docker compose.yaml. You can start on your container called service with a single compose command, and the compose automatically create the Docker network for the your project, and ensuring your container can communicate with each other. It also manages your Docker storage volume and automatically reattaching them after a service is restarted or replayed. So what's the difference between Docker and Docker Compose? Honestly, Docker is a containerization engine that provides a CLI for building, running, and managing individual container on your host. But Compose is a tool that expands Docker with support for multi-container management. It supports stack of your container that are declared defined in project level config files. Okay, so first I will check the Docker Compose version in my local. You should already have a Docker Compose v2 available if you are using a model version of Docker desktop or Docker engine. So you can check by running, follow me, Docker Compose version. Okay, you can see here we have a Docker Compose version v2.24.6 in the desktop. Here I standing in the steep compose directory. So I also create the Docker file and the app.js file, which I created before. So I will add this. You can see here I have a Docker file and app.js file. Don't worry about this. I will push the Docker file and the app.js file in the description of the video here. So the code use the Press web server package to create a simple hit tracking application. So each time you visit the app, it logs your hits on Reddit and then display the total number of page log. Okay, so first I will cast the Docker file to confirm. Okay, and the app.js. Okay, it looks good. So we can using brew to install npm if you are using the Mac OS. So brew install npm. Okay, after we install the npm, you can use for install the express Reddit. Oh, the connection was low. Okay, then are you using npm to install the express Reddit? Okay, we can see here added 74 packet in 6 seconds. We can add again, and you can see here we have packet.json and packet-log.json here, which is when we create the Docker file, it's going copy the backup.json and package-log.json in your application, which is the Redis application. Okay, and then we will go into with the Docker compose. Like as you can see here, I create the Docker compose YAML file. I will cat this. We will dive into what's going on here, because we are using the compose. Okay, so the top level service field is where you define the container that's your application requirement, and two services are specified for this app, is the app and the Redis. Okay, and the app is your Node.js application, and the Redis is your Redis server. Each service has an image field that's defined, and Docker image the container will run. In this case of the app service, it's custom the app colon latest image, and this can be not exist, so it will using the Docker file to create the image for app doc latest here. The app service has a port field that's declare the port padding to application for the container, similarly to the -b flag of the Docker run. So the bring up your container, and now you can use the compose to bring up the stack. Everything you need is typing follow me docker compose up -d. We have some problem here, cannot connect to the Docker daemon. Okay, maybe I have a node running the Docker in my local, so I will run the Docker. Just start your Docker engine in your Docker desktop and wait a second. Okay, here I have a Docker desktop in my local with username Steve DevOps. Go back to and run Docker compose up again. Okay, we have a network Steve compose default, container Steve compose Redis started and started. Okay, and then after we have a container started, we can go to the your localhost. Okay, you can see here we have a payload 1. When you reload the page, it will increase to 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's either way how Docker compose work. In this case, we have a Docker compose here, so I will go into here and I will delete the image. I will delete the Redis here. I will stop the container first. Delete. Okay. And then I will delete the Redis. I will delete the app. Okay, and we don't have any Redis image and app image here, so I will run the Docker compose up again, and it will tell me that's the Redis pulling in the Docker hub, because we have not have a Redis image, so it will build. Okay, building the application by running the Docker file. As you can see here, it's copy the package.json, which is the Reddit server, and then run your container, run your image at the container and start it. And then we can go into localhost again. This will restart your container. Okay. And if you want to display the container in Docker Compose, just run in Docker Compose PS. You can see here we have a Steep Compose app -1 and Redis -1. You want to down your Docker Compose, just Docker Compose down and remove. You can go into the localhost again and reload it. This site can be reached, okay, because the Docker Compose is down. Docker Compose PS. You don't see any the container, okay. Also, we have a Docker Compose log, but we don't have any compose here, so I will Docker Compose up again. Okay, and Docker Compose log. Docker Compose PS. Okay, it's running. Docker Compose log. We also have here, we have the log of the Docker Compose. Docker Compose PS. Also, we have a Docker Compose stop. This will stop instead of remove. Here we have the stop. Okay, and if you want to restart the Docker Compose again, just Docker Compose restart, and it started. You can check in your localhost. Okay, it come back. Also, we have a Docker Compose build and push command. Yeah, and you can try this in your local. And I think the video here can show you how to you work with the Docker Compose. I think it's so easier for try to work with it. Okay, thank you for watching my video. If you have any question and any technology tool want to learn, just comment in your video and I will get back to you. Thank you.